people.
Let me pause this.
Well, let me.
So welcome to day 14. Yeah, it is 7:51 p.m. My day has already come and gone. Okay, all I did was work today. Like this morning I woke up late in the bed all day, then I went to work at 12:30. Well, I actually went to work late, but I went to work and I got off at 5:30, and I have to go to work again in the morning at 5 a.m. so I have to hurry up and finish editing day 12 and upload it. I need to be like lights off at 9 o'clock. It's 7:52 right now. I've only edited 7 minutes of footage on this 42 minutes worth of like, what was I doing for 42 minutes? So I have to edit this like all the way down, because no, so that's basically all I'm doing. I have to wake up at like 4 a.m. so let me set my alarm. Okay. It's easier for people who don't have jobs to do Vlogmas because they don't have to go to their job. Like, that's why I feel like, you know, regular YouTubers or whatever, or you people that just do YouTube, it's easier for them because they don't have to go to a job. You know, they can just do stuff every day. I can't do stuff every day. Like today I didn't do nothing. I can't vlog at work, so what am I vlog? This morning, me laying in the bed. I could have, but I didn't. So yeah, I gotta wake up at 3:50 a.m. So now you see the urgency, and then I have to upload it. So if it's too long, it's gonna take forever. So I have to like edit this all the way down. So yeah, I just needed to pick the camera up so I can have a vlog to upload on day 13. Sorry, this is like boring. Sorry, you know, it's just me editing, you know. Yeah, I have a lot to do on Tuesday. Tuesday is the day I'm gonna be off. I have to get my nails done that day. Ooh, and maybe I can take y'all with me to get my laser, because I haven't had laser done in a couple months now, and yeah, we gotta start that back up. I also, okay, quick rant. I be watching these vlogs and I be breathing hard, and like from a certain angle I have like, what is that? What is that? We're gonna start working out again. I worked out a lot during quarantine days, but when I have to work, I don't know, for some reason I feel like I have to make the most out of my off days and like not do nothing. So yeah, we're gonna start back working out. Like, I have to. I look too fat in videos. Like, I look fat. Like, I mean, probably not to y'all, but I know what I'm supposed to look like, and it's not this. Like, watching this vlog right now, I'm breathing and stuff, and like, there's a wing stop. Like, I gotta start eating healthier. And the gag is, I have not gained a pound. I just weighed myself not so long ago. I haven't gained a pound, haven't gained an ounce. Like, I'm exactly the same pound, point ounces, and the scale isn't broke. So I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm eating too much salt or something, and it's making me, I don't know. But also on Wednesday, I have to get my lashes filled in. I tried to hit my lash lady up, but nothing. So I couldn't get in earlier. She's always booked, and it's so annoying. I'm gonna have to start like booking my appointments like ahead of time. So I get my lashes done Wednesday. I need to return these books. I need to register for classes. That's what I need to do. I'm tired of being a college student, if we're being honest. But yeah, let me get back to what I'm doing. I see y'all on day 14. Day 14 is probably gonna be the same. So this is probably gonna be day 13 and 14. Yeah, I'm gonna just list this as day 13 and 14 because I work a double tomorrow. I'm gonna be, well, I think they're gonna merge my doubles, but I'm gonna be working all day, and when I get off I'm not gonna want to do anything. So yeah. Oh, I also see, this is why I need days off. This is why I need days off. I need to go through my clothes and like get rid of everything I don't want. Like, my space right now, okay, I really don't want to expose myself, but my space right now, it's just, hello. It's just, don't even look at the trash. Like, if you go through like my clothes and my closet and my drawers, like first of all I need new bedroom furniture. Second of all, I have all these clothes and just stuff. Like I feel like my style changes at least once every year and a half, and I hold on to things because I think I might wear them again, and I end up see like it's time to give it up. So I do need to go through my stuff. That'll probably be one of these videos, one of these days where we just go through and get rid of some stuff together. So yeah, I need like a good week off. I do hate working. I hate working. I hate working. I hate work. No, I don't hate like working, like the act of work. I hate going to work. Yeah, if that makes sense. It's getting too long. This is day 13 and 16. I'm at work. I did the best I could for Vlogmas. I'm picking up the camera, honey, still. And I'm editing when I should be asleep. Even though, I mean, nobody's really watching, but it ain't 0 people watching. So somebody's watching. Thanks for watching. Let me stop before I pull out on my lashes and it be a full set. It's probably gonna be a full set anyway. But yeah. Day 13, 14. I'll see y'all on day 15. 15 should be more interesting. See y'all on day 15. Oh, and thanks for watching my Vlogmas. Like whoever's watching, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you. Goodbye.